Hiya, folks. So a relatively common problem in WordPress is that people get pretty confused by some very basic features that aren't accessed in a place they would expect them to be. So I'm looking at a WordPress site, and I've got this post on it called Long Lorem, and it's full of lorem ipsum text, which is just nonsense. But the text of this post doesn't matter. What's true is that this post was authored by admin, and I want this David account that I am, which is an administrator account, by the way, to own this post instead, to essentially be this post's author. And by default, when I am in a WordPress site, I don't have the ability to do this on this post editing screen where I might expect it to be. And this is for a kind of subtle thing. If you've been around WordPress a lot, you might already know the punchline. But if not, the way to change a post author in WordPress requires that you find this little screen options button at the top. Most WordPress admin pages have this option. And what it is a place where WordPress puts the ability to turn on and off different features that you may need, but probably don't often. And one of those boxes is author. And now if I scroll down, you'll notice after I've checked author, and thus it will show the author box, I can go in here and I can change the author to David, which is exactly what I wanted to do. So with that, I basically have the ability to, hit update if I didn't have this featured image warning, and then the post would be saved as owned by David. So screen options is hiding a lot of stuff. If you go to the post view, screen options is how you can toggle off and on different columns. Like, let's say you never want to see the comments there, you can just turn it off. And especially as you get more and more plugins installed to add columns to this table, this feature becomes really important. The other thing to know is that there is a way that you can always toggle the author, and it's this quick edit thing. So by default, all posts, tables in WordPress, so that's pages and posts and portfolios and whatever, have this quick edit view which lets you change basically the metadata of the post without editing in any way the post content. So you can add tags, you can change categories, you can change its status, and in here you can always also find that author box, and this is regardless of the screen options on the primary page. So hopefully that's helpful to just understand how you can change the post author, and a pointer to always look for the screen options thing. If you feel like you should be able to do something in WordPress and you can't, it might be hiding under that screen options tab. I hope that helps you.